Hey there, welcome to Old RC Creations. Well, here's a little update on the truck that I'm working on, the International, 47 International. So we got the main power plant in the frame, and I'm waiting for a soldering pen so I can do the wiring, because that's soldered up in there. I got the rims all done, rear dualies, all the stuff all done on it. They're all glued up. So I found something out really interesting is I've been using this glue. I didn't know, I was trying to find a way to glue the PVC to the ABS plastic, and I got this glue here. Pick up that or not. So anyway, it seems to work pretty good. So anyway, yeah. So I being I'm putting basically making a mount here for the front of it. So gotta drill the holes out and making mounts there. And here's the cover that goes over the main part there. So it goes in there, mounts in there. Mounting holes are there somewhere. Get the frame here. Mounting holes are there. So we mount to there like so. And I'm also going to mount it to the back here too to drill a couple holes. So yeah, it's coming on pretty good. So once we get the cab on the frame and everything, then we're still working on the back of it. And actually, I want to get it up and running, see what it's like. I know it's not going to have a very good turning radius, but it is what it is. So then I have to basically have to put Loctite, blue Loctite on all the nuts and bolts, and modify whichever ones are too long. Some of here is kind of long here, so cut those off. But I have to wait till they Loctite, and then nothing, because basically when you put blue Loctite, and just has that goop on there, and it makes it threads nice and tight, so you don't so the nuts don't back out or bolts don't back out with vibration. So yeah, so it's pretty interesting. It's come along pretty good, pretty happy with it, and thought it could be a little update on the progress here. Yeah, it's a mess, and I've been getting got some nuts and bolts from Amazon, and got some more coming. And I find the best bolts for the work on these these RCs are between 2 and 1 millimeter. Seem to work the best. You can go up to 3 millimeter too, but it's kind of big. And you use the Allen head style bolts, which I'm finding the best. I mean, I have some of the other ones. They're tapered, but hold on a minute. Gotta hold this one hand. I smashed my hand many years ago, so it's hasn't been the same. So yeah, these are just machine screws. The Allen key on them. And this box here actually comes with the Allen keys and stuff. So can't really like it. They're easy, really easy to work with. So anyway, yeah. So I ordered 2 more of these boxes like this. And I'm mostly getting, and I would take the nuts and bolts out of the out of the bags, but then they might, if something happens, the box spills or something, at least you're not going to lose all your nuts and bolts, right? So I find that the 3 millimeter and the 2 millimeter work the best. There's 4 millimeter and 5, but they're getting kind of big, right? So anyways, I'll post it up there. Anyway, yeah, come along pretty good. Just plucking away at it. Yeah, so once we get more done, we'll definitely post it up. There's still a ton of work has to be done in this model here. So anyways, thanks for watching. Bye for now.